Hello everyone, I'm Meena. I come from Serbia. I'm a student of Shanghai International Studies University. Recently, it's been slowly getting hotter, and summer is really coming. Xiaoman is the 8th of the 24 solar terms and the 2nd of the summer season. So why is Xiaoman called that way? Today, I was given a task by Xinhua News Agency to find the meaning behind the name of Xiaoman. Do you also feel like it's always raining when you go outside recently? In fact, the name of Xiaoman has two meanings. Its first meaning is related to the climate precipitation. There is a folk proverb, 小满小满江河渐满. So Xiaoman relates to the surface of the rain. The second layer of the meaning is related to wheat. For the northern regions, Xiaoman does not mean precipitation, but the fullness of wheat. Right now, I'm in Shanghai, and it is the southern region of China. So for this particular area, Xiaoman means planting of the rice seedlings. As you can see by my clothes and my boots, I'm going to give it a try by myself. Let's go.
两边流，1分3，就这边流这么点，这中间，右边往左边插。
哦，明白。对。
把这个头稍微搞一下，不要太深，放得太深。
好。这。
就这样呢，这边。 对，然后这边，然后这边，对的。
哦，这里一个。
对的，这边，靠这个秧苗的底部这个地方拉出来就可以了。对，就这样。OK 了。
And we're done here. I think we did a pretty decent job, guys. What do you think? Here we can smell the smell of rice. The rice we just planted will become like this only this fall. Rice is the main food Chinese people eat, and I can't wait to taste it in this fall. We can feel that Xiaoman is characterized by high temperature, high humidity, and lots of rain, which benefits the crops to grow. Interestingly, Xiaoman is a very special solar term. There is a Chinese saying, 小满者满而不损也，满而不盈也，满而不溢也, which means to be full before too full, and that means to be just right. It is also a philosophy for us doing things in daily life. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!